started as a 30-second voice memo recorded right here whilst walking my dog this morning.
You say they broke the world before we came of age, then shut us away in this gilded cage.
A few minutes later, I have a full backing track. No drummer who never showed up, no studio at 500 quid a day, no logistics, just me being the director. In 2026, you don't need to find a band, you are the band. So let me show you how. There's a smell many of us remember from our youth. Stale beer, damp carpet, the ozone smell of a tube amp that's been on for 6 hours straight, and other aromas. But then music was a team sport. If the drummer didn't show up, the session died. If you didn't have $5 for a week in a studio, your song stayed in your head. I call it the museum musician model. Creativity held hostage by logistics, schedules and gatekeepers. Songs covered in dust that the world will never hear. Only the rich and the lucky broke through. And for a lot of us, as our life got louder, kids, careers, mortgages, the garage just got too cold and lonely. We stopped saying I'm a musician and started saying I used to play. We turned our passion into a eulogy. I know people with guitars in the corner that haven't been plugged in since they last wore tight jeans. Why? Because finding a band at 50 is impossible. But here's what's changed. In 2026, the garage is gone, the barrier is gone, and the excuses are gone. Now let's get something straight. I'm not some kid who's just discovered a magic button or trying to sell you some magic beans. I've spent 40 years in the trenches, owned a commercial studio for 2 decades, built it from the literal ground up, putting up the walls, soldering every XLR cable. I built my own PC rigs back in 2000 when digital recording was still in nappies and the normal computers couldn't even handle a basic multi-track. I know every compressor setting, I know the math of signal routing, and that's exactly why I can tell you this. Most of that knowledge is a barrier, not a bridge. I've seen thousands of musicians walk into my studio over the years. Every excuse is the same. The tech is too hard, I don't have the time, I'm not an engineer. I realised my job wasn't to teach people how to be engineers, it was to show them how to be artists again. In 2026, the barrier to entry isn't gone, it's just changed shape. We used to need a label's permission, now we just need a system. This is what I call the great democratisation. You don't need to find a band, you are the band. Here's the truth. 80% of making music is logistics. Drums that are on time, bass that's in tune, mixing, mastering, engineering. That's the 80% that used to require 5 people, 5 schedules and $5,000. But only 20% is actually you. Your voice, your story, your melody, your soul. And you can't outsource that. The virtual session band, AI tools, VSTs, digital instruments, they handle the 80%. The drums are always on time. The bassist doesn't need a ride home. The engineer will work for free. They aren't replacing you. They're your hired help. Your job is to be the director. You provide the 20%, the soul, and let the system handle the rest. This works whether you're a lyricist with no instrument, an acoustic strummer who wants a cinematic sound, or someone with a melody stuck in their head. If you can hum it or write it in a notebook, the band is ready to play. Now, I know what you're thinking. 3 things are running through your head right now. First, isn't this cheating? Let me ask you this, is using a calculator at the supermarket to keep track of your shopping cheating? No, it's just getting to the answer faster. The soul can't be faked, but the snare drum, that can. Second, I'm not a tech person. You don't need to be a mechanic to drive a car, you just need to know where you're going. My Pareto producer system removes the tech barrier. You're not learning to be an engineer, you're learning to be a director. Third, I don't have time. You're right, you don't have time to be a 1994 musician, but you do have 20 minutes to be a 2026 director, and I'm about to prove it. Let me show you this. Step 1, I'm going to record a raw idea, just a melody and lyric.
You say say they broke the world before we came of age, then shut us away in this gilded cage.
That's the soul, that's the 20%. Now I'm dropping this into my Pareto producer template. This is pre-configured with everything I need. I'm telling my virtual band I want a tragic but anthemic MCR Black Parade type thing. All I'm doing is laying a vibe, starting the ball rolling. My actual description was, a dramatic emo rock ballad in the style of the Black Parade by My Chemical Romance starts with a slow melancholic piano or clean guitar intro, then builds into a powerful full band section with heavy guitars, marching drums, emotional chord changes and orchestral layers. The mood is tragic but anthemic, evoking themes of lost nostalgia and the end of the natural world. Include dynamic changes, soft verse and epic chorus with dramatic build-ups and a cathartic climax. Ideal for emotional theatrical lyrics about the world falling apart. Just a few clicks, that's it, the hired help does the rest. My AI backing track tool takes that and creates an entirely unique original backing track, or more, or several copies. Listen to this. That probably took me less than 10 minutes of computer-based logistics to support my own half a century of soul. We used to rehearse 20 or 30 hours a week to get all the pieces written and everyone playing in time. I just took the seed of an idea and started the ball rolling in less time than it took to skin a joint in the old days. That's a song you could send to your kids for memory or upload to Spotify tonight. It's not cheating, it's finally being the artist you want to be, the artist you were meant to be. But it doesn't have to end there. That is just the demo of your idea, the simplest version, the easiest configuration. And singing over it is fun and cathartic, but it doesn't have to be the end. We could next strip that backing track into layers, drums, bass, guitars, keys, and then import them into a multi-track session. Now you can re-record a new bass guitar if you want, or layer in your own guitars or keys. Now you can even program your own drums or have Easy Drummer or some other drum software build you a drum track just by dragging and dropping new pieces like a jigsaw puzzle. But here's where people get stuck. They see this demo and think, great, but how do I actually do that? That is so outside my comfort zone. That's why I didn't give you just another course to add to your to-do list. I am offering you a tactical advantage. The Pareto Producer Dashboard is your interactive command center. I've taken 40 years of doing it the hard way and distilled it into a single clickable map. If you're a beginner, it gives you the 20% of tech you actually need to sound pro by tonight. If you're a veteran going deeper, it has my entire library, masterclasses, books, direct links to countless videos, from beginner to expert, along with cheat sheets, worksheets, diagrams and sections to help you put all the ideas into practice. I did the heavy lifting of building the walls so you don't have to, you just have to turn up. When you sit down to create, you aren't troubleshooting a machine, you're executing a vision. You don't need to work through a course to answer your question, you just go to the section and take the shortcut straight to the solution. And then, if you decide you want to dive a bit deeper and understand a bit more, well, you can do that as well. It's the master key to the system, and it's the first thing I'm handing to the quiet rebels who join the Pareto Producer Beta. Let me say something that might hit hard. Stop saying I used to play. That's a eulogy. You're writing an obituary for a part of yourself that's still alive. Start saying I am a creator. That's a future you still get to write. I'm looking for a small group of quiet rebels to join the beta of the Pareto Producer. I'm keeping this first cohort tiny because I want to personally ensure your hard drive graveyard finally comes to life, powered by one-to-one calls and weekly Q&As to make sure you dust off the cobwebs and start to smile and have fun again. If you want to be the first to get the director's pass on the dashboard, click the link below to join the waitlist. Oh, and as a thank you for just looking, I have my Quiet Rebel Studio Reset before you press record to download and keep absolutely for free. The link is below. It's time to stop fighting the tools and to start leading the band. But I know what you're thinking right now. You're thinking, this sounds great, but I've tried this before. I've bought courses and I've started projects and they all ended in the same place, abandoned in a folder somewhere. I get it, because the problem isn't the tech. It's the burnout. It's the voice in your head that says your creative spark might actually be dead. Next, I'm going to tell you the truth about the day my own creativity broke and the rebel reset that brought it back. That video is next.